everybody, today on Energy Drink Tester we're having a green base which is Tropical Storm flavor. For the can aspect, it says base with a green cross right there. It has a star with a big gray B there, and also it's a Canadian can, so it has a little Canadian flag on it. The ingredients now. Base is a 210 calorie can. It has 50 grams of sugar and it also offers 2 grams of protein. For the active ingredient, the can contains 1900 milligrams of taurine, 160 milligrams of caffeine, and 92 milligrams of inositol. Alright, for the color of Tropical Storm, we have a nice green lime neon. The taste of a Tropical Storm base energy drink. It's a nice lime lemon taste, not too sweet, good lemonade taste. For the effectiveness of base Tropical Storm, it's outrageous. You'll get a right rush from it and you'll pass through your day very easy on this. It's a Canadian energy drink and it's low price since we're in Canada. For my personal appreciation of base Tropical Storm, I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Reasons for this is that I don't enjoy an energy drink that tastes something like lemonade or lime. This is not, for my taste, this is not right for an energy drink can. I give it a 4 out of 10 reasons for this. The only reason is not giving it a 2, it's because I'm proud of the Canadian energy drink here.